everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious low-carb diet egg cucumber salad. Hope you like it. Learn how to make this cold dish so you can quickly prepare it and share it with guests when they come to your house. Let's go!
Egg and cucumber salad.
Ingredients: cucumber, cherry tomatoes, eggs, coriander. Wash and steam egg. Once cooked, remove from steamer. Eggs, remove the shells and set aside. Cherry tomatoes, cut half and set aside. Chopped coriander. Peel partially of cucumber. Flatten cucumber with knife back and cut into sections. Add cherry tomatoes. Cut hard-boiled egg into small pieces. Drizzle 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. Egg cucumber cold salad is done. Friends who are trying to lose weight should remember to try it. It is low in calories, low in fat and delicious. You will definitely like it. Give it a try too, it's delicious. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.